time to do our weekly craft together, and this week's theme is summertime. And so I thought for our craft, we could make a sunshine. So you need this blue piece of paper right here. It says, "You are my sunshine." And then you'll need your baggie that has a big yellow circle, some yellow rectangles and some orange rectangles, and sunglasses. And you will need a glue stick, and I have my box of crayons as well, so you will need a crayon too. So if you don't have those items, go ahead and pause the video, and once you have them, come on back and we'll make our craft together. All right, let's go. So as you know, I already said we are going to be making a sunshine. And so when we make our sunshine, there's kind of two different options. We can decide if we want to have a really big sunbeam. That means we would glue our rectangle kind of close to the edge. And if you want a smaller sunbeam, you would glue your rectangle further in the circle. So I'm gonna do kind of like halfway. I'm gonna do my sunbeam is gonna be about this long. And what I'm doing is, this is actually gonna be the back side of the sun. So I'm gonna start with a yellow rectangle, and I am going to glue that right there. And I'm gonna be making a pattern with my sunshine here. I'm gonna be doing yellow, orange, yellow, orange. And feel free to do the same thing. Like I said, these are the sunbeams to our sunshine. Have you guys ever heard the saying, "You are my sunshine"? There's actually a song that goes along with that too. And I would sing it for you, but I don't know if I know all the words. Maybe you do. If you do, you can send me a video and you can sing it for me, because I'd love to hear it. All right, so I am working all the way around my sunbeam, or excuse me, my sunshine, adding on the sunbeams. And now remember, if I am going too fast, feel free to pause the video. And once you've caught up, you can start it back up again. And I'm doing my pattern, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange. Let's see, my pattern might be a little mixed up here. So I'm gonna scoot this over, because I'm gonna have, these ones are gonna be a little bit tighter together. I guess you don't have to use all of your pieces. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna use all my pieces. I'm gonna have 2 extra pieces, because I like how my pattern is right now. Right now my pattern is yellow, orange, yellow, orange. And I didn't wanna have to squeeze 2 more in, because if I flip this over, I like the way my sun looks, so I'm gonna keep it just like that. Okay, so now this is the front side of my sun. And if you're not here right now with me, feel free to pause the video, add all of the sunbeams to the back side, and then start it back up again once you're here. So I have my sun all done. Now I get to glue it onto my paper. And I'm gonna try to twist my sunbeams a certain way so they're not blocking the words. I want to be able to see the words, "You are my sunshine." But if your sunbeams are too long and it blocks the word, that's okay too. So I'm going to put glue all over on the back here. The back side of my sun, and then I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to try to find the right angle to glue it in the center of my paper. All right, now we are going to add some really cool sunglasses to our sunshine. So sunglasses are gonna kind of be, you could glue them way at the top if you wanted. You could glue it kind of here, but probably not down here, right? Because eyes are typically more to the top of our heads. And so I'm gonna glue my my sunglasses right here. Like that. And now we have one more thing to add, and that is a little smile to our sunshine. So I'm gonna see if I can find a red crayon, because I want to, let's see, I don't think I have my red crayon in here, but that's okay. I can, I'm gonna use this color. It's kind of a pinkish red. And I'm gonna do a little cute smile, right like that. On my son, you could do a big smile if you wanted. You could do a silly face. You could even do a sad face if you wanted to. It's up to you. You can decide. Do you have a happy son? Do you have a sad son? Do you have a silly son? Whatever you decide. And yep, that is our craft for today. I hope you enjoyed making it. Feel free to post a picture of it on Seesaw because I would love to see how you made your sunshines. All right, great work.